Eggs are considered a breakfast staple across the globe, packed with protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. But what if we told you that something as innocent as your morning omelet could be hiding dangers? In today's video, we're uncovering 10 shocking risks of eating eggs that you need to watch out for. From health concerns to handling mistakes, these dangers are more common than you think, and some could seriously harm your well-being. Make sure you stay till the end so you don't miss the one mistake almost everyone makes. And if you're passionate about staying healthy and eating smart, hit that subscribe button and join our growing health-conscious community. One of the most well-known dangers of eating eggs is Salmonella, a harmful bacteria that can cause severe food poisoning. It's often found in raw or undercooked eggs, especially if the shell is cracked or unclean. Symptoms include stomach cramps, fever, diarrhea, and nausea, often appearing within 6 to 48 hours. While many people recover without treatment, the illness can be life-threatening for infants, the elderly, and people with weakened immune systems. The risk increases when eating raw egg-based dishes like homemade mayonnaise, cookie dough, or Caesar dressing. Always cook your eggs thoroughly and refrigerate them properly to minimize the risk. Never consume eggs with a slimy texture or a foul smell. They're likely contaminated. The FDA recommends using pasteurized eggs for recipes requiring raw eggs. Don't let a quick breakfast turn into a week of sickness. Egg yolks are naturally high in cholesterol, with a single large egg containing about 186 milligrams, over half of the recommended daily intake. For people with pre-existing heart conditions or high cholesterol, this can pose a serious issue. While recent studies suggest dietary cholesterol doesn't affect blood cholesterol as much as once believed, it still plays a role in heart health. Overconsumption of eggs may contribute to the buildup of LDL, bad cholesterol, which clogs arteries and increases the risk of heart disease. Moderation is key. Try limiting egg intake to a few times per week if you're at risk. Alternatively, consider using egg whites, which are cholesterol-free but still packed with protein. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes if you have cholesterol concerns. Don't underestimate the yolk. Many commercial egg farms use hormones or antibiotics in their feed to increase production. Over time, consuming eggs from these sources may introduce trace levels of synthetic hormones into your body. This can disrupt natural hormonal balances, particularly estrogen and testosterone levels. For women, this might worsen PMS or irregular periods. For men, it could contribute to fertility issues or mood swings. Choose pasture-raised, hormone-free, or organic eggs whenever possible to reduce your exposure. Check labels carefully. Free-range doesn't always mean hormone-free. Your hormones deserve better than hidden additives. Think before you crack. Egg allergy is one of the most common food allergies in children, though it can affect adults too. It's often triggered by proteins in the egg white like ovalbumin. Reactions range from mild, skin rashes, hives, to severe, anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. Parents should introduce eggs carefully into their child's diet and consult a pediatrician if any symptoms appear. Even baked goods containing eggs can trigger a reaction. Many vaccines are also grown in egg cultures, so egg-allergic individuals should be cautious. Always read labels and ask about ingredients when dining out. When in doubt, skip the egg. Eating raw eggs regularly might lead to biotin or vitamin B7 deficiency. That's because raw egg whites contain avidin, a protein that binds to biotin and prevents its absorption in the body. Biotin is essential for healthy hair, skin, metabolism, and nerve function. Cooking eggs deactivates avidin and allows your body to absorb biotin properly. If you're into raw egg shakes or uncooked recipes, you might unknowingly deprive yourself of this crucial vitamin. Signs of deficiency include brittle nails, thinning hair, skin rashes, and fatigue. Stick to cooked eggs to stay glowing and energized. While eggs can be heart-healthy for many, research shows that for some individuals, especially those with diabetes or metabolic syndrome, regular egg consumption may increase the risk of cardiovascular problems. The saturated fat and cholesterol content could worsen plaque buildup in arteries. Some studies link high egg intake to increased risks of heart attack and stroke in these populations. If you have any family history of heart disease, talk to your doctor about your egg consumption. No food is universally perfect. Know your body and eat accordingly. Even clean-looking eggs can harbor bacteria if not stored properly. Leaving eggs out at room temperature too long can create the perfect environment for microbes to thrive. Store eggs at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius or below. and never leave them out for more than 2 hours. Also, avoid washing eggs unless you're cooking them immediately, as washing can strip away the shell's natural protective coating. Use eggs before their expiration date, and always check for signs of spoilage. A safe egg is a fresh egg. Eggs from non-organic, factory-farmed chickens often contain traces of antibiotics used to prevent disease in crowded conditions. These residues can make their way into your body, potentially weakening your gut microbiome and contributing to antibiotic resistance. Over time, this could make treating infections harder. Choose certified organic eggs from trusted farms that avoid antibiotics in their feed. It's not just about the egg, it's about the life behind it. What you eat matters. For some people with type 2 diabetes, eggs may impact blood sugar levels more than expected. While eggs are low in carbs, studies suggest that consuming them daily may worsen insulin resistance in some diabetic individuals. It's a topic of ongoing debate, but it's wise to monitor your response if you have diabetes. Pair eggs with fiber-rich foods like veggies or whole grains to balance the meal. Don't go overboard with bacon and buttered toast on the side. Those extras make things worse. Eat smart, even with healthy foods. Eggs are a go-to in high-protein or keto diets, but eating too many can throw off your nutritional balance. Excessive protein can stress the kidneys, especially in people with pre-existing kidney conditions. A diet too heavy in eggs may also limit your intake of other important nutrients from fruits, grains, and veggies. Balance is the key to long-term health. Don't let convenience overshadow variety. Rotate your protein sources and let your plate tell a colorful story. Eggs can be a nutritious part of your diet, but only if you handle them right and eat them in moderation. Now that you know these 10 hidden dangers, you can make smarter choices for your health. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening health content. See you in the next video.